Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Jens Bogren's low-end trick. Jens Bogren is a famous metal sound engineer who has been working with such great bands as Dimmu Borgir, Sepultura, Arch Enemy, and many more. In our today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Jens Bogren's low-end trick. First of all, let's have a listen to our bass DI. So first of all, we're gonna divide our basses in two different basses. For instance, our bass DI will be bass high and our bass amp will be bass low. On our bass DI audio track, which is called bass high right now, first of all, we're gonna be using some EQ. And here we're gonna be cutting some lows to have mostly highs in our bass high sound. Now, let's have a listen how our bass high sounds with our bass low. On our bass high, after our EQ, let's use L1 limiter to make our bass sound more even. Now let's have a listen our bass with our drums. In our drums kit we have some toms, so here we have high tom and here we have low tom. To make our toms sound better in the mix and to control our low end, we can use Waves Audio C6 multi-band compressor on our bass bus. And here we're going to be using sidechaining, and we're going to be sending our sidechaining to our high tom and to our low tom. And we're going to be using sidechaining in pre-fader mode. Now let's have a listen to our bass with our drums. So the main idea is that Waves Audio C6 helps to control our low end on our bass, but also by using sidechaining and by sidechaining our bass to our high tom and to our low tom, we are ducking our toms in the mix, so in this case they don't sound very loud and our bass shares its low information with our toms, and in this case our general low end sounds much better in our mix. So now by using this trick, you know how you can control your low end on your bass and on your toms. If you want to learn from Jens Bogren on mixing, you can check out his courses on Nail the Mix, the best online community on recording, mixing and mastering metal music. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.